Are you squatting like this? Fix it before it gives you knee pain. First mistake, heels elevating, one of the common mistakes that people don't realize. This will cause your weight to be shifted forward, reducing stability. Weight shifted forward means extra load on your lower back. Also very harmful to your knees due to additional shear force. This may be one of the reasons why you experience knee pain while squatting. How to fix it? Align the bar with your feet. The bar should be directly on top of your feet instead of in front of your feet. Ensure the weight is evenly distributed on your whole feet. Bar movement should be straight up and down instead of moving forward and backwards. Second fix is to pause squat to check. Your weight might be too heavy, so use a pause squat to check. Pause at the bottom for 2 seconds. If you can't perform a pause squat, it's probably too heavy. Lower the weights. Next fix is ankle mobility. Some may have poor ankle mobility. Use some ankle mobility stretches with or without weights. Second mistake, knees caving in. This will wear your knee cartilage, leading to knee instability. Also probably because of the lack of hip external rotation. Another reason is poor lateral glute activation. Check out these fixes. 1. Point your toes outwards to increase hip external rotation. Make sure your knees are aligned with your toes. Secondly, to use hip bends. This will force lateral glute activation. The last mistake is going too heavy and no depth. This increased weight will give unusual stress on the knees, resulting in poor activation of glutes and quads. This will also result in risk of injury. Simple fix is just to lower the weights and your ego. Make sure you squat at least parallel to the ground. And lastly, train less, decrease rep sets or training frequency.